Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. This week I will be using the Love Kit from Organized Magic. I'm using the full kit this week and it comes with a ton of stickers, and I'm using it for Valentine's week of course, but this kit is really not Valentine's specific, and so you could use it anytime, to celebrate a loved one or just self-love or anything like that. And I am also using some washi that is from the Pink Room Co. and Rose Colored Days. And I am starting here with the washi, bottom washi, and I like that it says love and that it goes all the way across. And next up I'm putting down my date covers. I found that it's so much easier to put the dates on the date covers before you put the date covers down into the planner. It just seems like it goes so much faster and you're not spending time double touching. I mean, you still do have to, touch each sticker twice, but it just seems so much faster and more efficient to put them on beforehand. So I don't know what's been going on with me and my sidebar lately. Usually I like to do my sidebar all at once, but my past few weeks I've been starting on the sidebar, then moving on to something else. As you see here, I put my full box down for the sidebar and then started to put down these important headers for the rest of the week. So this was the most difficult part of planning this week. I'm using this clear overlay washi from Rose Colored Days, and this washi is really cool because it's perforated at exactly 1.5 inches so that you could just rip it to the box size. I mean, you just rip it you don't have to measure. And so while I really liked the idea of it, it was kind of difficult to rip and get exactly where I wanted. And so maybe next time I do this, I wouldn't put it on something existing, because I tried to spend a lot of time matching it up and kind of ripping what I had on the bottom, and then it just didn't really match up. And so as you can see here, I had to use my tweezers, and it was kind of difficult, but this was my first time using it and I really love the idea of this perforated washi. So maybe next time I will just not use it with anything else. So my intention for the important heading was to just put down a highlight of the day, since I don't usually pre-plan my whole week. I kind of fill in as I go, and so I wanted to use the important headers just because I don't usually use them, and so this way I could write down a highlight of my day, or in the event that there is something pressing for that day, I could put that in the important box. And here I'm going in with my full boxes and my half decorative boxes. I really like how the kits from Organized Magic come with the half boxes that have the deco as, a full half box, if that makes any sense. Next, I decided to use the glitter washi that came with the kit to divide the area, or my remaining area, and I really like this color for the faux glitter washi here. After putting some quarter boxes down and some shorter checklists, I move on to the washi that I put on top of the large bottom washi. This is white washi from the Pink Room Co. And I made sure to white out the Erin Condren lines before I put my washi down. These workout stickers that I am using are from Planner Kate, and I know I've mentioned before, I just really love how they're just the perfect type of gray, and they do go with almost every spread that I've done so far that I've used these stickers in. The change bedding sticker I just put down is from Organized Magic. I love, love, love a clean bed and clean sheets. Getting in there when you put the sheets on is just one of the most amazing feelings ever. And so now I'm working on my sidebar, and I'm putting some washi down and then the habit trackers and alternating those back and forth.